40 KCBS. Well, we say good morning to Ferdy Byer, who's at the KCBS editor's desk. Hey, KCBS News Time right now, it's 4:50. Now, this is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Emergency alert system.
What the fuck?
Now, KCBS News Time right now.
It didn't even play the full message. Like, what the fuck? It just played the, like, the back end of it. That's...
Hi, this is Steve Nelson from Midland Tractor. Once in a great while...
This is the coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations and cable television companies serving Mariposa, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Kings, and Tulare counties. Equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, a 911 system failure, or other life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
To better the lives of those who are often forgotten.